I have a scanner, but this one is broken. Whenever I have a broken electronic device, I don't just throw away. Instead, I disassemble because I can get some electrical part that I can play with. So I always disassemble and try to harvest something interesting. Today, I'm going to disassemble this and I will harvest a stem motor. I harvested a main board. So if I desolder this main board, I can get various of electrical components. For example, capacitor, some IC chips, voltage regulator, so register. So I think I can harvest various of electrical component from this. As you can see, I just found the stem motor. This is pretty good one, so I can use for my electronics project. This is called stem motor. As you can see, using Arduino or Raspberry Pi, I can connect the signal line here and then I can control this. Yeah, I just harvested a nice stem motor and also a main board. So for example, I can use this heatsink for another project, and I harvest various of IC chips and electrical components. Thank you for watching.